Hello fellow laser enthusiasts. Today we're going to actually do something for the spooky season of Halloween and cut some shadow casting stencils out of wood. So I'm going to load up the project on the laptop here and then we're going to get moving. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this. All right, opening up my file. Now my file is a little bit bigger. We're going to shrink it down to 8 inches and center it on the board. I do need to connect my laser. Today we're using some 3mm basswood. We're actually going to just be cutting this out. 70. Now for my power settings and everything, my speed, I've gone ahead and just adjusted to 100%, gone to a 15 speed, and then I'm gonna cut twice, just to make sure that we go all the way through the material. Before I actually launch and start processing this, I am gonna make sure that the material is centered on here and my image is going to fit on the project. So one thing I love is the framing feature where I can set this to outline and it'll actually outline the project. What's great about the outline is instead of just casting a full square or rectangle and kind of guessing where it falls, I can actually maneuver the material. So like I can flip this around and position this. I can actually utilize more material with my projects and get more projects out of the material that I'm using. Then go ahead, stop framing, close the shield. So yeah, let's get to processing this and then we'll show you what this looks like. I'm noticing that there's a lot of blue light that's casting out because we're not able to close the shield all the way. So I'm gonna put on my handy dandy safety glasses here and be fashionable. These are great, kind of low budget, cost effective Halloween decoration. Minimum effort, maximum efficiency. All right, now I'm gonna pull it out of the machine and we're gonna see how we did. So as I'm looking at this, we do have some parts, which this happens due to inconsistency in the wood, but we're right there. So I just have to flex it a little bit. And now we have our little shadow caster. Now, if we did want to avoid having to work on wiggling these pieces out and fraying the edges here, I could have ran the piece one more time. That would have saved us from the trouble of wiggling that out. All right, guys, now that I'm in a dark, stuffy closet, I have it all set up here with the flashlight behind it, and it's casting a wonderful shadow behind me here. Definitely a great low budget way to add to the spooky season. When you're choosing your light source for these, you definitely want to use a single point projector bulb of some sort, something really bright, just because if you use multiple LEDs, it's going to cast a weird shadow. So if you do enjoy these videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, send me comments on what other projects you'd like to see me do next. I really enjoy doing these. And again, this is Daryl from Ryonet. Take care.